These are my top 10 lip combos that actually make my lips look bigger. No filler, no filter. Every combo in this video gives that fuller lip effect instantly. Number 4 and number 8, they add me shook. Like, I will drop every product I used in the description box. So keep watching and tell me which combo is your favorite.